Hello children, welcome back in English grammar class. Today in this class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 18. The name of the chapter is Capital Letters. And in this video, we are going to cover the explanation of the chapter, where capital letters can be used, and we will be discussing the exercise that is to be done in the book. So let's start our class now. The capital letter. Children, from nursery onwards, you have been learning big letters and small letters. You can see on the screen the letters A to Z. All of these are written in capital letter. You can very easily recognize these are capital letters. The capital letter is also called a big letter. Now the question arises, when do we use capital letters? Where can we use capital letters? So let's start reading the chapter and understand where we can use and where we should use capital letters. This is chapter 18, Capital Letters. Capital letters are used. Children, here some points have been given so that we may understand where we should use capital letters. So the first point is to begin a sentence. Do you remember? In our previous chapter, the sentence, we have learned two main rules of a sentence. The first one was a sentence should always begin with a capital letter. So, the first point in this chapter is also capital letters are used to begin a sentence. Whenever you begin a new sentence, the first letter should be capital. You can see he bought balloons. H is written in capital. She is playing with a doll. S is written in capital because this is the first letter of the sentence. Second point is to begin names of persons. Children, whenever you write names of persons or names of pets, you always have to write the name beginning with a capital letter. For example, I will write Sneha and S will be capital in that. If you are going to write your name, you will be writing the first letter capital. You can see Sachin, S is written in capital. Kishore Kumar, Kishore, K capital, Kumar, K capital. Children, when you write the full name along with the surname, then you have to write the first letter of your surname also in capital. Rajendra Prasad, Rajendra R capital and Prasad P capital. Always remember this. Whenever you are writing the full name, then also you will be writing the first letter of each word. That is the first letter of name as well as the first letter of surname in capital. Next is to begin names of places. Children, always remember, whenever you are writing names of places, you have to begin them with capital letter. Because when you are talking about a place, you cannot say which place you are talking about. But when you are saying Agra, India, Uttar Pradesh, Asia, you know you are talking about a specific particular place. So when you are specifying the name of place, then you have to begin it with a capital letter. Next is to begin names of roads. Taj Road, Parliament Street. You are mentioning the name of a road. When you are mentioning the name of a road, then again you have to begin it with a capital letter. Taj, T capital, road, R capital. Because when you say I will be meeting you on this road, you cannot specify which road you are talking about. But when you say we'll be meeting on Taj Road, then you know you are talking about a particular road. So it should be written in capital. The name should begin with capital letter. To begin names of buildings and monuments, as we are talking about particular building or monument, so it should also be written in capitals. That means it should begin with a capital letter. Taj Mahal, Red Fort. So Taj, T capital, Mahal, M capital, Red Fort, R capital, Fort, F capital. Okay, so whether there are 2 words in a name or 3 words in a name, each and every first letter of the word should be in capital. For example, Taj Mahal, यहाँ पर 2 words हैं, ताज महल. ताज का T कैपिटल बनाना है आपको, महल का M कैपिटल बनाना है. उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तर U कैपिटल, प्रदेश P कैपिटल. तो जो पूरा नेम है उसमें कितने भी वर्ड्स हों, यू हैव टू बिगिन देम विद कैपिटल लेटर. नेक्स्ट इज टू बिगिन नेम्स ऑफ द डेज ऑफ द वीक. Sunday, Monday. These are the specific names of the day. When you are talking about Sunday, you know you are talking about Sunday. You say, I'll be meeting you on that day. You cannot specify. आप नहीं बता सकते आप किस दिन की बात कर रहे हो. But जब आप Sunday बोल रहे हैं, then you know you are talking about Sunday. So, first letter is capital. Next point is to begin names of the months of the year. In the same way, whenever you are writing the names of the months of the year, it should begin with capital letter. January, J capital, February, F capital. Next point is to begin names of festivals and important days. You know very well names of festivals. Specify which festival it is. Important days, Republic Day, Independence Day. These are important days. You have given a certain importance to them. So they are specific and particular. So उनका भी first letter capital होगा. You have to begin the names of festivals and important days with capital letter. To begin names of languages. This is the next point. When you are saying I have learned 2 languages, then I cannot say which language you are talking about. But when you say I can speak Hindi and English, I know you are talking about 2 particular languages. So जब हम specify कर देते हैं names, then it should begin with a capital letter. Hindi H capital, English E capital. Next is to begin each fresh line of a poem. To begin each fresh line of a poem, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. See, if we are writing a poem, then if you are writing something in the next line, it becomes a new sentence for that poem. It becomes a fresh line of that poem. तो आपको हर पोएम में जो एक फ्रेश लाइन है, दैट मीन्स नेक्स्ट लाइन है, उसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल ही लिखना है, वेदर द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट और नॉट. एंड एवरीवेयर दैट मेरी वेंट द लैम्ब वॉज श्योर टू गो. ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट यहाँ पर हुआ है गो, बट देन ऑल्सो बिकॉज द स्टार्ट हो रहा है नेक्स्ट फ्रेश लाइन से, यू हैव टू मेक टी कैपिटल. ओके, तो आपको हर लाइन में फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल लिखना है व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अ पोएम। ये पोएम की बात हो रही है। नेक्स्ट इज टू राइट द प्रोनाउन आई एंड द इंटरजेक्शन ओ। सी आई का मीनिंग होता है मैं, आई एम एन इंडियन। तो आई जो है वो स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है। इफ आई एम सेइंग आई, इट इज मीनिंग मी। ठीक है, मैं आई बोल रही हूं, दैट मीन्स मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूं। बहुत स्पेसिफाइड है, क्लियर है। इफ यू आर सेइंग आई, आप अपनी बात कर रहे हैं। सो इसीलिए वेन एवर यू आर राइटिंग आई, भले ही आप सेंटेंस के बीच में आई लिखें, एंड में लिखें, स्टार्टिंग में लिखें, आई इज रिटन इन कैपिटल। आई, वेन एवर आई मीन्स मैं, तो आप उसको कैपिटल लेटर में लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट इज ओ। ओ हाउ वंडरफुल। ओ इज एक्सप्रेसिंग समथिंग। ओ आपका एक एक्सप्रेशन बता रहा है। सो व्हेन इट इज द सेम सिचुएशन, जैसे यहां पर है ओ हाउ वंडरफुल, जब आपको कोई एक्सप्रेशन आपका बता रहा है ओ, देन ओ ऑल्सो हैज टू बी रिटन इन कैपिटल। Okay, so you have to learn all these 11 points. You have to remember them, and then only you can do the exercise of capital letters. So let's start this exercise. Rewrite the following names by using capital letters where necessary. आपको इन names को दोबारा से लिखना है और जहां पर भी required है वहां पर capital letters use करने हैं. First is William Shakespeare. See, this is the name of a person, but it is not beginning with a capital letter. So this is wrong. हमने जो अभी rules पढ़े हैं, it is wrong according to those rules. So we'll be rewriting it. William Shakespeare. William W capital, Shakespeare S capital. Because I have told you, the name is consisting of 2 words, 3 words or 4 words. Every word should begin with a capital letter. नेम में 3 वर्ड्स हैं, 2 वर्ड्स हैं, कितने भी वर्ड्स हैं, हर वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होगा। विलियम W कैपिटल, शेक्सपियर S कैपिटल। नेक्स्ट इज बुद्ध पूर्णिमा. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ फेस्टिवल, सो इट ऑल्सो हैज टू बिगिन विद द कैपिटल लेटर. अगेन 2 वर्ड्स आर हियर बट नेम इज 1. ये एक ही नाम है, बुद्ध पूर्णिमा. सो बुद्ध B कैपिटल, पूर्णिमा P कैपिटल. नेक्स्ट इज हिमाचल प्रदेश. Himachal H capital, Pradesh P capital, because this is the name of a place. United States of America. United U capital, States S capital, of O capital हम नहीं बनाएंगे. I will tell you why. America A capital. See, whenever we are using of, to in a name, we are not making the first letter capital. आपको ये हमेशा याद रखना है. किसी भी नेम में, प्लेस के नेम में अगर ऑफ आ रहा है तो आप वहां पर ऑफ का ओ कैपिटल नहीं बनाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज यूनाइटेड किंगडम. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस. यूनाइटेड यू कैपिटल, किंगडम के कैपिटल. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द एक्सरसाइज. डू दिस एक्सरसाइज इन योर बुक. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the exercise well and the chapter also. But I would request you to learn all the 11 points where to use capital letters. Then only you will be able to understand the exercise. Your homework is read the chapter. Do this work in your book. Thank you.